Quite a bit of stuff here for $9, but it could have been a little better. That's a nice photo. That'll probably sell for about maybe $10. That photo. I was hoping it'd be a little bit more. This box is almost empty, so we could fill it. That pair of jeans. Covington. Covingtons. Size are these? 36, 32. Not bad jeans, but flea market for sure. Stuff whatever you can in this box. Alright, that's about it, guys, in here. Not really seeing too much anything else. Just some old photos, some old cars. Thought there should be something better in here, to be honest with you, but we got all this. This is cast metal, maybe cast iron. It's got one windshield wiper. Something missing on the top though, but still nice. This is nice too, right here. Sunoco. I don't know if it takes batteries. I think it takes batteries. I'd have to look at it, guys. Got some of these things, and I don't know too much about those. Bunch of cardboard over here. We'll burn it. With another box if we need it. Obviously somebody went through all this already. Okay, let's get, basically we're going to get cleaned up, guys. There's a part of a fishing pole, but not the whole thing. So this is trash. Scrap metal maybe. With some green tape. And we got the we got the rake. We got the rake, guys. The rake of rakes. This is the crookedest rake you're ever gonna see. Let me get some light on that if I can. Look how crooked that sucker is, guys. It's like a witch's rake or something. Look at that bow. You can make a bow and arrow out of that sucker. So this box of cardboard. Hey, here's a nickel, guys. Every nickel and penny I find is a discount. World's greatest grandma. Flea market item right there. Oh, we're still going. We got, what is this? Grandma, you are grand. Okay. Another nickel. That's 10 cents. We got about $1 in pennies. It's an extra box if we need it. Somebody coming. We're gonna get out of here soon. It's copper, guys. It's for fishing. Copper pipe. You believe that? Get that cleaned up. There you go, guys. There's the witch's broom. Start my fire with that. Welcome. That's $1, right? There's a penny. Probably the other auction. Somebody won. That's garbage. I figured it'd be mostly another penny, guys. I figured it'd be mostly garbage on this unit, so it's a nice clock though. We got this thing. We might own some land in China we don't know about. Serious. Alright, garbage bag, honey.
Can I just show you something really quick? Look.
Hold on. Hey, look at the size of this Webster dictionary here, guys. Beat the heck, though.
Garbage bag? You said you wanted the garbage bag.
What? They kept flowers in here. Kept flowers in there. That's weird.
That's a thick dictionary. Look at that. I've never seen one that thick before. That's somebody will want to buy that probably.
Flea market it.
Yeah, look at that. It isn't that big. But still, look at all the pages.
Oh. I don't want to put it in that one. Alright, hold on, guys. Gotta reorganize here. What the heck am I gonna do with this, guys? Happy Valentine's Day. Maybe I should slip it in somebody else's auction. Oh, I can't. They have It'll be like, how did this get there? That's a nice shovel, though. It's a bit rusted, but that's almost a brand new shovel, guys. Almost. Clean the storage unit. We got a broom and a shovel to clean the storage unit.
That looks like a witch's broom.
Yeah, I should have brought my broom and shovel.
Honey. Honey.
We got one, guys. We got one. Alright, basically we're going to get all this crap loaded on our cart, guys, and we'll take it home and go through it there. Whatever's trash, we're going to trash, and we'll see what's what. Okay, guys, we got it all cleaned out. That's all the stuff there in the cart, and we're out of here. Get my $100 deposit, and get out of here. Throw a lot of stuff in the trash. Some cool stuff, some lanterns, oil lamps, and stuff like that.
Book, okay?
Yeah, you could have that,
There's
bro.
a lot of good stories.
I just want to price it, though, just to see, but you
I'm
can
not
keep it.
I'm not into
Just go.
paintings,
Go.
There's a lot of good stories in here.
Not too bad of a unit, guys. A lot of junk, you know,
Hotels and, like
a lot of eBay stuff,
what you
but
call
that's it.
Penitentiary, like a jail.
Elevator. Watch that bent rake. Go, guys. We saved like $1,200. Only spent $9.60 on all this stuff. It said something about train tracks. Nothing was really in the box that would have said. Mostly, look, den. There's nothing really in there, but we found some stuff we'll be able to sell, but we get our money back, double, triple it. Getting pizza here at Brick Oven Pizza, guys. Good pizza. $17 for this pie, guys. I don't think it's worth it. With two waters. It used to be a really good pie. It looks like a lot different. The lady that works there, she don't know how to make a pie, but... Alright, let's put it on a box. She's been there like 6 years. I mean, it's not that bad, right? Pretty good, actually.
Wait, now I'm not making no dinner. This will be our lunch dinner.
I think it's the same owner, but
This car's
she
good
bought
on,
it and pays him 30%.
This car's good on gas, but I think I should get like at least $10. I wonder if I can make it to the Wawa within 115.
Not bad. Some? Oh! You guys took half that pie.
You scared me. I thought there was a...
Oh. It is.
Used to save a lot of money. We used to save...
Okay guys, we're leaving the storage unit. Appreciate you guys watching. We're gonna go get our deposit back. Stay tuned guys. We're gonna go through all this one more time. And we'll get it real nice in another video. Thanks for watching. Woo! This has been my third storage unit video guys. Smash that thumbs up button. Hit that bell so you get my next videos.
They're gonna let us out, right? We gotta go to the office.
And
now.
hit all notifications guys, because I'm going to be uploading lots of videos. There's going to be more storage units. There's going to be more auction. I still have the car auction to go to yet. We're going to film that. Thanks for watching.